Ang cute. Oh, ayan, ayan, ayan. Nag-aaway na naman. Cute. Guys, ang dami palang hummingbird. Oh, this month is the most, populate na sila masyadong. Kulang yung feeder ko. Kailangan dagdagan ko ng mga 8 yata sila nandito. 8. Ala, ala, ala. One male, one female. Sige, dadagdagan ko. Oh my Lord. I'm so sorry. I'll put some more food. Mag-sweetheart naman kayo eh. Kunyari pa kayong dalawa. Hi. Oh no. Rumble. Pag naglagay naman ako ng isa pa. Ayan siya. You guys, I added some feeder and they still fight. Cute nyo. Going to add some more tomorrow. Thank you for watching, guys. See you later. Enjoy the video. I hope you like it. Thank you.